If you are wanting to connect your hearing aids to your iPhone for the first time, the first thing you want to do is take your hearing aids out of your ears and open your battery doors, setting the hearing aids next to your phone. Then you'll go to Settings, click on Settings. Then you will scroll down until you get to Accessibility. Scroll down until you get to Hearing Devices. Here you'll say it says Searching. Now you're going to want to close your battery doors on your hearing aids. And it takes a few seconds for them to pop up on the phone. Okay, so here I have some test units. So it says test, and then it says Sonic Enchant 20 R plus L. R plus L means right plus left. You want it to have both R plus L. If it does not, you need to open and close your battery doors again until it says that. Now we're going to push not connected. And here we're going to be prompted to pair. That is how you pair your hearing aids to your iPhone for the first time.